So, thinking about starting to clean the engine bay out a little bit. So I kind of parked it in the garage, have some space. Hasn't started raining yet, so figure I might as well get started on some of this stuff. It's really nasty. Get all in here. This is gonna bother me. I didn't even realize how loose this is. Okay, it looks like there's missing some clips or brackets that go right here. I'm gonna take this off and wash it as well. Really nasty. Like a red overspray. It's just held in by these clips right here. You can use a flathead, I believe, to pop these out. This right here, I'm not. Looks like it's just clipped in really thinly. That needs to get more fluid in there. Yeah, I'm assuming this has like a security system in here somewhere. I'm not sure where the wiring's at, because I did see this right here. Like I said, I have to get a cover for this still, but I seen that and it says Premier Vehicle Security. I mean, I'm not sure. I have to look this up. You guys comment below, let me know if I'm wrong. Then there's that Clifford part right there for the alarm system, I'm assuming, but then the switch. I'm not sure, but the wire's clearly broken off or disconnected or something. Yeah. Then this speaker's not working. Hey, so the speaker's not working, so I'm not sure. So I did some more cleaning. I want to go up to Home Depot and get some more stuff. I really want to paint these, prep them. I need to get some more spray for some parts on the inside of the car, but if not, I'll wait till next week. Got some rain. Alright guys, it is another day. It's obviously cloudy. It was raining. As you can see, there's some water on the plastic, and I'm glad I put that down, because had I not did that, all that water potentially would have leaked inside the car. It's like I said, the sunroof has like a little bit of a push to it. It's like a little small section where it's open. I guess somebody tried to pry the car open and I have to fix it. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm probably gonna go to Pick and Pull soon to grab some parts that I need. Like this little cap for right there. The other one has it already. Maybe extra fuses, any little small interior parts that I need. See, it's starting to rain again. Yeah, starting to rain. Good thing I pulled this in some. Respect your elders, it never gets old. I do want to paint all these doors, the trim, all the trim. I'm gonna repaint. Like I said, the side mirrors are gonna get repainted. I'm gonna pop these out so I can repaint these today, as well as the cover for the headlight, the cover for the battery that goes in the trunk is getting resprayed today. Just little small things to kind of help the detail out. I'm watching some other YouTube videos as well as I go, just as like an extra guide / inspiration. I got some wire brushes right here my dad brought for me, as well as a whole box of gloves that I really needed. So shout out to dad for that. I'm not sure, I have to look this up, but why is there a battery right here? I think that's really weird. Maybe that's just how it is, but I'm not too knowledgeable with this car as of now, how the engine works, and I'm learning as I go, which is okay with me. Like I said, that fan for the AC heater unit needs to be replaced. The motor, I'm sure these are pretty common with these. Maybe you should get like, whether it's like a critter or something that gets in there and causes it to make weird noises when you turn the fan on. So it still works, it just makes a weird noise, and I don't like that. So I'm gonna have to pop this off and either clean it out or get a new one. I'm not sure. So that's something to think about when I go to a pick and pull. If not, I have to order that online. Also, this is really bothering me. I'm not sure exactly what this gunk stuff is. It was all on this part right here, and I scraped it off with like a little razor. And I just don't know. It's really nasty though. I really want to get all that crap off of it. It's almost like baked on. I guess it's like oil slash clear coat just being faded off. As you can see, it's all on this part as well, which is what I'm going to use the wire brush for. It's just all over there. It's just bothering me. If you guys know any ways to get that stuff off faster, please leave a comment down below with any recommendations or suggestions. But yeah, just learning as I go. Like I said, this is my second car. I had a 1974 Firebird previously, and I did the same thing. I never knew anything about cars. I just learned as I went, and I learned a lot. So this is the first time I'm getting a Beamer. I'm going to be learning as I go, and this is a fun little project slash car that I'm going to add to my collection. So hopefully this is one of many more. I did have to clean out this stuff in the garage today and kind of push it to the side, as well as wash it down with some soap and water to kind of get any little dust and stuff out of here. But yeah, guys, it's been fun so far. Stay tuned. This works pretty decent. It just takes a lot of arm power and muscle repetition, movements, and patience. I mean, if you have like a Dremel or something, this will speed up the process a lot faster, and it's a lot easier. I at the moment don't have one. I did have one, but I can't find it. Like I said, I used it a while ago when I was working on my other car, so I think either someone tossed it since it was probably in a box somewhere, or I don't know where it's at. I'll find it eventually, or if not, get a new one. But yeah, this will have to work for now. Man work, or should I say girl work. Starting to really rain now. Man. Yikes. Alright, like I said, today I wanted to get these painted as well as the side mirrors. So I just popped this off, and you could just use a flathead. I have this little tiny one right here. There's a bolt right there. You just detach. I believe this cable down there for the sensor to adjust this. So we're gonna get that done. I'll see you guys in a second. Not sure what's going on right here. What is this for? Alright guys, I just got this loose and popped it off. Let me set the camera down so I could take it off. Alright, so we got the first side mirror off. This is the passenger. I'm gonna set that there. There were 2 bolts that I'm gonna probably repaint, especially this one. It was really nasty. Get some of this rust off, I'm sorry. Or wire. Use a wire brush. There's a little attachment to the clamp right there, and then right here there are 2 plastic pieces. The bolts slide in here to hold the mirror down, but those plastic joints fit into this piece right here for your interior. But yeah, I'm gonna finish wet sanding this. I'm gonna tape this off so no water gets inside. But I'm gonna spray these satin black today. Alright, so I thought while I was at it to remove the vents, like I said earlier, I wanted to respray everything that I possibly can. I'm about to take that one off as well as the driver side mirror. That way I can clean all this out too while I'm at it. You see how nasty this is, all the dirt. And then like I said too, my fan, when I turn the heater and AC on, hold on, and in there, you can't really see it. Let me see. No, I can't get in there, sorry guys. But there's a fan right in here. It's like a dual side fan. One's black and one's white. And I'm gonna have to clean all that crap out in there. You can kind of see it if I adjust. There it is. The fan's right in there. When I turn the heater and AC on, it makes a really weird noise. It's a common problem for these cars. But either you just have to clean it out or replace it, the motor. So it's not that serious. But yeah, I'm gonna get all this crap out. I did lift up the weather stripping just a little bit so I can clean all in here while I'm at it. Yeah, but I'm pretty excited to get this done. Yeah. See, got one right there, that one right there. Alright guys, stay tuned.